Alright, aloha everybody, I am Vicky and this is my husband Flo, and we are the owners of Bin Wash Express, your eco-friendly express dumpster wash every time. Starting a solid waste container business would mean definitely providing a new service to the Reno, Nevada community, to the Northern Nevada community. The owner of the company, we know him on a personal level and we've been following him for the last 2 years or so, and we've been watching his business grow, and if anything we wanted that same opportunity for ourselves. And so the thought came across that, you know, if someone like Greg that I know from high school can, you know, come up, I definitely want to learn from someone, you know, who's been in that position. I want to learn from the best. We want to learn from the best. Any kind of like words or wisdom or advice that I have for those thinking about starting their own solid waste business company is to definitely get into this business when it's at the ground level. You know that the market isn't oversaturated with this business, then you know you have the chance to actually build, at least from the bottom up. You know, definitely go out there, make those connections. That's a big thing. And most definitely, you know, stay positive. Be prepared to give your 110% when it comes to giving it your all.